traveling in a Friday combi on a hippie trail full of zombies. I met a strange lady, she made me nervous. She took me in and gave me breakfast. She said, do you come from a land down under, where the women glow and the men plunder? Can't you hear the thunder? You better run, you better take cover. Buying bread from a man in Brussels. He was 6'4" and full of muscles. I said, do you speak my language? He just smiled and gave me a Vegemite sandwich. He said, do you come from a land down under, where the women glow and the men plunder? Can't you hear the thunder? You better run, you better take cover.
Love you so much. Make a bullet for you, do you know it?
I'm in a den in Bombay with a slack jaw, not much to say. I said to the man, are you trying to tempt me? Because I come from a land of plenty. And he said, do you come from a land down under, where the women grow and the men plunder? Can't you hear the thunder? You better run, you better take over. Living in a land down under, where the women glow and the men plunder. Can't you hear the thunder? You better run, you better take cover. 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 Oh, that was great, sweetie. Oh, thank you very much. Okay, BOOZHOO, Nish, Anishinaabe, Doog. And welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this is Nana BOOZHOO. Ikadon BOOZHOO, Weenie Mushain. Say hello. BOOZHOO, Nish, Anishinaabe, Doog. And welcome back to the show, my fellow Anishinaabe. Yeah, and today, our Ojibwe word of the day, Nagamo, sing, because that's what I love to do. I love to sing. So, Nagamo is to sing. Nagamon is a song, or you can also call it a Nagamoan. It's like a singing story. So that's today's Ojibwe word of the day. And so, in the spirit of that, just want to say, you want to add anything here, sweetie? No, you're doing great. All right. Well, let me just say, miigwech ganawabi egg. Thank you for watching. BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this is Nana BOOZHOO, and I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Minawa. Oh, all right. Oh, that fire's really pretty.
I know, huh?
If you fall, I will catch you. Time after time, you say, go slow, I fall behind. The second hand unwinds. If you're lost, you can look and you will find me. Time after time. If you fall, I will catch you. I'll be waiting. Time after time. You say, go slow. I fall behind. The second hand unwinds. If you're lost, you can look and you will find me. Time after time. Oh,